Uttar Pradesh, we did a mood meter of Uttar Pradesh. Despite the Lok Sabha setback, does Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath still remain powerful? Yes, say 63% people, no, say 31%, can't say 6%. 63% people believe that yes, he's still powerful. What's the impact of Akhilesh's entry into national politics? SP, Samajwadi Party will benefit in Uttar Pradesh, 31% people. Samajwadi Party will lose in Uttar Pradesh, 29%. No difference, 38%, can't say 2%. Who do you think had the best stint as Chief Minister? Yogi Adityanath, 54%, Akhilesh Yadav, 23%, Mayawati, 19%, none of these, 4%. Last question, what is your opinion about Yogi Adityanath's performance as Chief Minister? Very good, 59%, satisfactory, average, 24%. That makes it 73%. Very bad, 17%.
83%.
83%. And 17%, yes, my mathematics not that great. Well, very bad is 17%. अब ये नंबर भी बता रहे हैं, बाइपोल्स आ रहे हैं. अब विवेक साइलस जी, योगी आदित्यनाथ popularity wise still way ahead.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free. To think big and achieve bigger. To take India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.
देखिए, ये सवाल मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है नाविका जी कि आपने और आनंद जी भी वहां थे और हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी भी वहीं थे. हमने बनारस में एक शो किया था. आप शिप पे हमको फेरी पे लेके गई थी.
शिप?
और हाँ, फेरी पे, छोटी सी फेरी थी. आप भी वहीं थी. और आपने जब ये सवाल पूछा था कि उत्तर प्रदेश का मूड का मीटर क्या है, जब मैंने बताया था समाजवादी पार्टी कितनी सीटें जीतने जा रही हैं, तो यही हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी हंसते हंसते कुर्सी से नीचे गिर गए थे कि ये तो असंभव है, हो ही नहीं सकता. लेकिन क्या हुआ? तो अभी जो 10 उपचुनाव आ रहे हैं, हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी, और आपके इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए बता रहा हूं कि 10 की 10 सीटें समाजवादी पार्टी
हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी
समाजवादी जीतेगी. मतलब कांग्रेस को एक भी नहीं दे रहे.
अरे
मतलब कांग्रेस को एक भी नहीं दे रहे.
देखिए, बाल निकाल मत निकाल.
ये फ्रॉइड
निकाल मत निकाल.
ये फ्रॉइड स्लिप है. हर्षवर्धन जी गिर जाइए, गिर जाइए.
हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी कुर्सी टाइट से पकड़कर बैठिए और जवाब दीजिए, क्योंकि इस बार आप हंसे भी तो गिरिएगा मत. जवाब दीजिए विवेक साइलस जी.
नविका जी, हंसते हुए गिरना तो उस वक्त भी नहीं था, नहीं तो गंगा में जाते. तो मैं हूं इसका मतलब गिरा नहीं.
बचा लेता, तैरना आता है.
लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में समाजवादी पार्टी ने जो लोकसभा चुनाव में परिणाम हासिल किया है वो कमाल है. हमें भी इसका अनुमान नहीं था, इसमें कहीं कोई संदेह नहीं है. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि विवेक साइलस थोड़ा सा ज्यादा उत्साह में आ गए हैं. विधानसभा उपचुनाव में 10 की 10 सीटें जीतना ठीक वैसे ही है जैसे अखिलेश यादव, मेरा अनुमान गलत निकला था, अखिलेश यादव जैसे कह रहे थे कि भाजपा सिर्फ एक सीट जीतेगी. कौन सी? क्यूटो. अब क्यूटो कहां है पता नहीं. तो अखिलेश यादव जी का भी अनुमान याद रखिए और अपना भी अनुमान विधानसभा
उपचुनाव याद है. हर्षवर्धन जी, घोसी उपचुनाव तो याद होगा.
नहीं, घोसी छोड़ दीजिए, पर
43,000 वोट से विधानसभा चुनाव हार के आप.
संजय झा, overall I want to ask you, it's a mood meter. Anybody who wants to say that surveys are always wrong and Film City channels should hang their heads in shame, you can say so, but this is roughly what people are saying today. It's a dipstick. And we're not projecting any seats here. This is generally what people are thinking, talking about. I want to ask you, especially on the question of Modi's Sarkar and its stability, popularity of popularity of Yogi Adityanath, and on the other side, Rahul Gandhi and the manner in which Parliament has run. Do you think there are any learnings?
You know, Navika, I'm glad you asked this question because I was just reminded of what I think Supriya Sule actually said. She said, every time I speak in the Lok Sabha against the government, my husband gets an income tax notice. That tells you about the health of democracy. May I also quote to you what the Supreme Court said when Manish Sisodia got a bail, saying that you kept him in jail for so long and you could not build up a case against him, an open and shut case of harassment. I think the problem with Mr. Modi's government is they know they are basically so fragile they may not last. And ultimately, the ruling party needs to realize you're supposed to serve 140 crore people of India, not become lawyers of one Mr. Adani. You have a bigger responsibility. The way Shehzad Poonawalla and the spokespeople defend the Mr. Adani, he doesn't need a legal counsel. He doesn't need to hire barristers and lawyers. They need to worry about the poor, the farmers, the middle class.
Well, Sanjay Jha, always going way above the brief at the moment. And if you're talking about lawyers, well, they stick to their briefs. Shehzad Poonawalla, 10 seconds response.
10 seconds. Mr. Revanth Reddy invited Adani to invest 12,000 crores. Is he a lawyer and a dalal of the said group? When Mr. Gehlot invited, don't interrupt now, Mr. Sanjay Jha, have the patience to listen to the counter. Mr. Gehlot, sir. Mr. Gehlot invited him, gave him a land. The only place where this group has got land without any kind of breeding process is there. Viranium port was given by the left government in Kerala. You had the Chhattisgarh chief minister invite him. You have his projects in Punjab. Please tell me when you're cancelling it, or else you will take this back and tell me why you are the agent of Soros.
That was Bharat's mood meter. We've brought to you a cross-section of people and what they think on various issues. As far as Modi Sarkar is concerned, brand Modi intact, maybe a little lower than before, but still intact. Big decisions, people still depend on him. He can convince his alliance partners. Nobody has a problem in believing that this Sarkar will last 5 years. But on the other hand, people also do not appreciate the fact that Parliament has become an akhada and anything goes. It's a takeaway. It's a takeaway. Challenging times, coalitions never easy to run, but everybody has to take a learning away from here. Negativity is not something that people in India appreciate. Well, on that note, thank you very much to all my panelists.